Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 7, special characters, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Insert and then click on Special Characters, this menu appears. I can now search for characters through the filters available at the top of the menu, or by using the search box, or by drawing the character within this space. To insert a character, all I have to do is click on the character I wish to insert. As can be seen, I now have a special character within my Google Doc. If I wish to remove the character, I need to close out the special character box, and then I can simply delete the special character within my Google Doc. Special characters can be useful for adding in items such as arrows or check marks. Explore this feature more thoroughly in order to discover a character that may be useful for whatever type of document you are creating. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.